Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Otto, and I'm going to go over some of the things that I plan on doing on this YouTube channel. I'm new to YouTube, so this is just a brief introduction to myself and the two Tormach machines I have. Behind me is a 770, what they consider the part maker package. It is a full-blown vertical milling machine, forward and reverse spindle, 10,000 RPM. And it has a 10-station tool changer. It uses standard tooling with a straight shank tooling. Very efficient. That's 770 is this one. And then off in the distance, I just recently got a 440, also by Tormach. These are currently the two machines I have and use. So starting out the channel, I'll be using these two machines. I do have a new machine coming. It is a Skyfire SMV0 VMC workstation. It is comparable to the 440. It is an 8-station tool changer machine, ISO 20 taper, not a straight shank, so you won't have as much tool pull out when you're being very aggressive in cuts. I rarely have tool pull out, but when I'm really trying to hog out material, it does happen. Moving on to what I plan on doing with this channel, I plan on using it as a tool to help others learn, but also to gain more experience in trying to teach others a way of doing something or an idea of how to do something. I will be attempting to do bi-weekly videos every 2 weeks. I'll try to upload a video. Can't guarantee anything. I am a job shop style shop. I don't have my own product. I have customers and they order parts, so if there's parts that need to be ran and I can't fit a video in, sadly that's the way it's going to have to be. But I'm going to try to do every 2 weeks some video, whether it be something like this where it's sit down, talk, answer questions, address some things I ran into, fixturing issues that I overcame, simple things, or more in depth if I have the time. I do plan on having project videos that'll be multiple video sessions long, that'll be spread out over a longer duration of time, because it'll be a bigger project. It's not going to be a simple one video project. I will also do one video projects. It may take me a week to do the project, but it'll be shortened into a video. I don't know if I will do CAD cam, as I don't know how to do screenshots or live video of my screen. I can figure that out. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. Otherwise, it's just going to be, here's machining, here's the parts, here's how I set up the machine, here's the finished part, and the project. That's kind of what I'm going for. I will also do, once I get the Skyfire machine, everything you see is going to be rearranged to a more suitable video arrangement as well. Right now, you guys are more where the garage door is. So this is all going to be cleared out. The 770 will be where the 440 is. And then off to my left will be the Skyfire machine. The 440 is going to have to leave at some point. Maybe not selling it. I might have a facility I can use it at and store it there in the meantime. But I will do more in-depth videos of the Skyfire SMV0 that I will be receiving in roughly 6 weeks from today, roughly. I've had it ordered for a few weeks now, so it should be getting its way over here. And oh, that's something else. I've had a few people ask some of the capabilities of the Skyfire. I'll go over briefly what those are. The 770 is a better comparison, not size-wise. It's bigger than the SMV0, but the 770 has a forward and reverse, but no encoder, so it can't do rigid tapping, but it can do float. It can do float tapping with this guy right here. It pulls out and pushes in. That allows the 770 to tap, not to a high degree of accuracy. If you're doing a through hole, it works way better than a blind hole. Whereas the Skyfire, I ordered one that has a servo spindle, so it is capable of doing rigid tapping. I'm not sure how accurate it is because I don't have a machine yet, but that is one test. Another test that I have seen is some of the videos that are out there right now. It's a younger company. There's not many machines, there's not much content, and the content there aren't any really good adaptive strategies being used that are pushing the machine to the fullest potential. So I'm going to attempt to do an aggressive cut with it to where it bogs the spindle, but because it's a BLDC servo, it should pick up and put more power to it to keep the RPM. So I'll have to buy a tachometer to visually measure that. So that will happen. Other than that, I don't know what I'll review on the machine. I'm hoping to do an unboxing video. Hopefully it'll be clean by then. Unboxing video, first cuts, and then depending if I'm really busy with work or not, I might be able to do a drill and tap project part, fixture plate or something like that. Or it might be a customer's part that I get permission to run. I do have to let you guys know, if you're still watching, this Skyfire machine, I talked to Jan Boss. He's the American distributor, and he's been working directly with Skyfire. He is the owner of Triple Tree CNC, and Triple Tree CNC is sponsoring me to do these videos on behalf of Triple Tree for Skyfire. So I am sponsored. I hope this doesn't skew your guys' views. I do have the two Tormachs. I'm not sponsored by Tormach. I just bought them because of the price point, and they're a great machine. I know I just have to put that out there because some people feel you're hiding something if you don't tell them you're sponsored. So I am sponsored by Triple Tree CNC, which is Jan Boss. He is the U.S. distributor of Skyfire. I'll try to keep it as honest as possible. There was the benefit for me in this sponsorship is I got to get into a Skyfire machine. They made it to where I was able to get in and afford the SMV0, and they're able to get it to me to where I can do these videos, but also to where I can further my capabilities as a job shop. That was my main concern. The 440 I have does not do tapping at all, only thread milling. There is no reverse. So for me, the price point the SMV0 is at, having reverse, higher horsepower spindle, and capable of rigid tapping were key factors. The bonus was it also came with a tool changer, way better, more industrial controller. I'm not going to say better. For me, I enjoy the industrial controller more than Path Pilot, but Path Pilot is very powerful for hobby use. So that's some of the stuff coming up. I know this is probably a longer video of just talking. I hope to see you guys back for some of the other videos. I may be doing a video on the 770 if I get it cleaned out and can get my GoPro to work. I don't have a fog buster, so flood coolant's the only way I do it right now, which isn't video friendly, but hopefully you guys can see some of the cuts I do on these Tormach machines. The 440 I kind of baby, it's more of my second op machine, but that will change once that 440 is turned into that Skyfire, and I will be pushing them pretty hard. because I've been pretty busy lately. So yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully you guys subscribe, leave comments, let me know what you think, or other info you may want to learn. There's not a lot of Skyfire content out. There are a lot of machines starting to be sold, so it might change. There might be more Skyfire content out. For now, if you need a craving of Skyfire content, go over to DCT Teacher on YouTube. It's Aaron. He's an awesome guy. He's in Australia. He has an SMV0 fully loaded with the same accessories and options that I have on my SMV0. Also, there's another guy, I believe it's WTS. I can't remember the rest of his name. He's also on YouTube. I believe that's the Cape Town distributor. They have a few videos. Other than that, I don't know many people with videos. If you have an Instagram, there's Salvan and Rhina Horse. I'll have to leave it in the comments below. They have Skyfire machines, and Triple Tree CNC is on there. He also has a Skyfire machine of his own. So give them likes, follows if you're trying to learn more about the Skyfires. Stay tuned and follow my channel. Thank you.